Welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today, we're learning 50 important transportation vocabulary words. Whether you're traveling by car, bus, train, or plane, knowing these words will help you communicate easily and confidently. Transportation is a big part of daily life, so let's make sure you have the right words to talk about it. Let's get started. Bus stop, a place where buses pick up or drop off passengers. I waited at the bus stop for 10 minutes. Ticket, a piece of paper or card to travel on transportation. I bought a train ticket online. Departure, the act of leaving a place. The departure time of my flight is 6 p.m. Boarding pass, a document needed to get on a plane. I showed my boarding pass at the gate. Commute, regular travel between home and work/school. I commute to work by train every day. Subway, an underground train system. The subway is the fastest way to downtown. Ferry, a boat used to carry people or vehicles across water. We took a ferry to the island. Platform, the area where you wait for a train. The train arrived at platform number 3. Destination, the place someone is going to. Our destination is the city center. Arrival, reaching a place after a journey. The arrival time of the flight is 8 p.m. Luggage, bags and suitcases for travel. I packed my luggage for the trip. Driver, a person who drives a vehicle. The taxi driver was very friendly. Passenger, a person traveling in a vehicle. The bus had many passengers today. Route, the path or direction taken to reach a place. This is the shortest route to the airport. Traffic, many cars, buses, or trucks on a road. We got stuck in heavy traffic this morning. Stopover, a short stay at a place during a long journey. We had a stopover in Paris. Terminal, a building at an airport or bus station. We arrived at the airport terminal early. Cargo, goods carried by a vehicle or ship. The ship carried cargo across the ocean. Carpool, sharing a car with others to reduce costs. We carpool to work to save money. Seatbelt, a strap to keep passengers safe in a vehicle. Always wear your seatbelt in the car. Fuel, energy source for vehicles. We stopped to refuel the car. Timetable, a schedule showing travel times. Check the bus timetable before leaving. Round trip, a journey to a place and back again. I bought a round-trip ticket to London. Pedestrian, a person walking near a road. Pedestrians must use the crosswalk. License, official permission to drive a vehicle. He just got his driving license. Taxi, a car that takes people for a fee. We took a taxi to the hotel. Ride, a short journey in a vehicle. Can I get a ride to the station? Express train, a faster train with fewer stops. The express train saves a lot of time. Baggage claim, area to collect luggage at an airport. Meet me at the baggage claim area. Crossing, a place where you can cross a road or water. We used the pedestrian crossing. Rush hour, the busiest time of day for traffic. Traffic is terrible during rush hour. Speed limit, the maximum allowed speed for vehicles. Follow the speed limit on the highway. Toll, a fee paid to use certain roads or bridges. We paid a toll at the bridge entrance. Vehicle, any type of transportation machine. This vehicle runs on electricity. Delay, a situation where travel is late. Our flight had a 2-hour delay. Cycle lane, a part of the road for bicycles. Always stay in the cycle lane. Intersection, a place where roads cross each other. The traffic light controls the intersection. Cruise, a trip on a large ship for fun. We went on a cruise in the Caribbean. Departure gate, the specific area for boarding a plane. Our departure gate is B12. Metro, an underground urban train. The metro is very convenient in big cities. Scooter, a small two-wheeled vehicle. I rented an electric scooter in the city. Parking lot, a space for parking cars. We found a spot in the parking lot. Road trip, a long trip made by car. We are planning a summer road trip. Signal, a light or sign to control traffic. The traffic signal turned red. Backpack, a bag carried on your back. I packed my backpack for the trip. Hitchhike, traveling by asking for free rides from drivers. They decided to hitchhike across Europe. Airline, a company that provides air travel. We booked tickets with a budget airline. Tram, a vehicle that runs on tracks in a city. The tram is a great way to see the city. Coach, a large bus for long-distance travel. We took a coach to another city. Travel agent, a person who helps plan trips. The travel agent found us a great deal. Boarding, the process of getting on a plane or ship. Boarding starts 30 minutes before takeoff. Great job! Now you know 50 transportation words to help you talk about travel and getting around. Keep practicing and try using these words in conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.